Congratulations on considering freelancing as an AI consultant or developer in 2024. Here's a step-by-step ultimate guide to help you get started. Step 1. Identify your niche. Determine what type of AI consulting or development you want to specialize in, such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, or robotics. Consider your strengths, skills, and interests when choosing a niche. Research the demand for AI services in your chosen niche and identify potential clients. Step 2. Build your skills. Update your existing skills and knowledge in AI-related areas. Take online courses or attend workshops to learn new skills, such as programming languages like Python, R, or Julia. Learn AI frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras. Familiarize yourself with data analysis and visualization tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Stay up to date with the latest developments in AI research and applications. Step 3. Create a professional profile. Establish a professional online presence by creating a LinkedIn profile. Highlight your AI-related skills, experience, and education. Optimize your profile for visibility by using relevant keywords. Step 4. Develop a portfolio. Build a portfolio that showcases your AI-related projects and achievements. Include case studies, code samples, or demo videos to demonstrate your expertise. Share your portfolio on platforms like GitHub or GitLab. Step 5. Define your services. Identify the specific services you'll offer as a freelancer, such as project development, consulting, or training. Develop a pricing strategy based on your expertise, experience, and the value you bring to clients. Create a service menu that outlines your offerings and pricing. Step 6. Set up your business. Register your business and obtain necessary licenses and certifications. Open a business bank account to separate personal and business finances. Obtain necessary insurance coverage, such as liability insurance. Step 7. Establish your online presence. Create a professional website that showcases your services, portfolio, and contact information. Use social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn to promote your services and engage with potential clients. Join relevant online communities and forums to network with other professionals. Step 8. Develop a marketing strategy. Identify your target audience and create marketing materials tailored to their needs. Develop a content marketing strategy that includes blog posts, articles, or white papers. Utilize paid advertising options like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to reach potential clients. Step 9. Network and collaborate. Attend industry conferences, meetups, and webinars to network with other professionals. Join online communities and forums to collaborate with other freelancers and experts. Participate in open-source projects or contribute to AI-related research papers to demonstrate your expertise. Step 10. Deliver high-quality services. Focus on delivering exceptional services to build a strong reputation and attract referrals. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI. Provide excellent customer service to ensure client satisfaction and retention. Step 11. Monitor your progress. Track your progress regularly by monitoring your income, expenses, and client satisfaction. Adjust your marketing strategy as needed to optimize your results. Continuously evaluate your skills and services to identify areas for improvement.